The video guide is dedicated to help you remove the adware called FilterAdmin. FilterAdmin is the new adware that attacks many Mac computers these days. FilterAdmin adware, once installed, starts to display pretty junk advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. This adware is from the adload family of adware type infections, by the way. The adware, once installed, starts to show its intrusive ads. Now, if you don't want to see these ads, you definitely need to undertake the measures and get rid of this adware from your device. So check your applications, find this filter admin, right click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with a combo cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start carefully researching the system in order to detect and eliminate other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.